Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to use the H&M app. As you know, H&M is a shopping app, so just download it from your Apple Store or Play Store, and then once you've downloaded it, open it up and then log into your account. So my screen might black out because I'm going to log in. It's security and privacy reasons. So once you've logged in, if you don't have a login yet, so you can just create or register your account. It's just free. You just need an email address. So once you've registered here, once you've logged in, so here you can see different categories like men categories or woman categories, all those things. For example, if you open up men categories and choose any item here, so you can start your purchase. So for example, you can browse through any of these items here and then select an item that you want to purchase. So you can just select the size, add it to your bag, and then once you have added to your bag, so now you can go to your checkout. So if you click on your shopping bag, you can go to your continue to checkout. So click on checkout, you can select the number of item you want, the quantity, and then hit on continue to checkout. So now this is where you process your payment for your purchase. So if you type in your details and then save it and then continue with the checkout, and then that's how you can you can do your shopping with this app. So it's a pretty easy shopping app. And apart from that, you can also look for your shopping orders. For example, you can track your orders or your purchases that you have bought. So if you click on the menu, you will see this option here where you can you can track your orders, and also you can track your returns here. There's a returns option there as well, so you can also manage your returns through this app as well. And then apart from that, there is also this option called um, my account here. So for example, there's an option. If you click on the menu, you'll see, scroll down, you'll see my account. This is where you can, again, my screen might black out due to security reasons. This is where you can see your payment details and order details. So